Namaste everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I will teach you only 3 exercises which you have to practice for 20 days or even you can practice 1 month, which will help you to increase your flexibility. It will take you from beginner to advanced level your back flexibility. But if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe, like and give the comment if you need more videos. So we get started. So first you have to come in the cat pose. From here you have to go in the down dog, exhale here. Now here what you have to do, just try to press your shoulder and try to touch your forehead on the mat. See, it will help you to stretch your side muscles. When you're doing back bend, you can see here, it stretch and even it will give pressure to your chest muscles here. Then inhale, take a right leg forward in between your hand. Yeah. Left heel down, inhale, raise your both hands up. Now exhale, take your hands down, look up. Now here what you have to do, don't focus on your lumbar, put less pressure on the lumbar, try to expand your rib cage, try to create movement in your thoraxes. So what you have to do, inhale and expand the rib cage. It will help you create movement or help to increase your mobility in your thoraxis region. Again, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hands down, go back again, down dog. Now again, see in down dog, try to press your shoulder down. It will help to stretch your chest muscles and side muscles. Touch your forehead. See, even if you have partners, so tell them, put their feet on the finger and just press down here. Again, inhale, take a left leg forward in between your hand, right knee down, push your hip forward, raise your hands up. Inhale up, exhale. Now take your both hands down. Again, inhale, remember, expand your rib cage, less pressure to your lumbar. Look up. Okay. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Go in down dog. Press down. Okay, here. Now slowly relax. Relax. Thalan. Relax. Now see, this is the first which you have to practice more than 10 repetition. You can take 6 to 7 repetition right and left. So it can be 10 to 15 repetition. So this is the first part. So now I will show you second exercise. Okay, come here. See, it is similar as the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. But see, you have to keep your both knee closer to the wall, take your hip down and fully lie down, fully go down. Now both leg 90 degree, toes up. Now, where you have to keep your wrist is depend on your flexibility. If you are totally beginner, then take your fingertips and shoulder in one line. But if you are more flexible, then you can take it till here, navel. So your wrist and elbow will become 90 degree. So again, if you are beginner, keep it front. If you are flexible, so you can slowly take it back as much as possible. Okay. So for her, I will take average in between, not beginner, not advanced, intermediate, elbow in. Now, inhale slowly up. Again here, inhale, try to focus on to expanding your rib cage. Look up, take it up. Exhale, slowly take it down. Get down, head down. Again, inhale, lift up, look up, expand your rib cage. Exhale, slowly take it down. I will show you one more time. Inhale, take it up, expand your rib cage, push your rib cage forward, take it up, and exhale, slowly take it down. Now again, sitting side pose, and back. So this is the second part, which again you have to do more than 20 count in one repetition. So try to do 4 to 5 repetition. So this is the second. We go for so I show you third and last. So first you have to stand here like this, straight. Take it here straight. Your body will be 90 degree. From here, take your hands little up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, both hands straight, and try to look up. Now see, it will help you to stretch your chest muscles and create more mobility in your thoracic region. Again, inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, slowly take it down. Press down. Keep pressing try to touch your upper chest to the wall. Okay, one more. Inhale, kick it up. And exhale. While going down, make sure that your both elbows are straight. Try to touch your upper chest, look up. And slowly inhale. And exhale, bend forward, go down. Relaxing. Okay, so this was the third which you have to practice more than 20 repetition. In one repetition more than 20, and you can make a 4 to 5 set. So these are the 3 exercises which you have to practice more than 20 days, or you can practice 30 days to increase your back flexibility, to take your flexibility from beginner to advanced level. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you all again in the next video. Thank you.